Hey, it's Emily, and today is Monday of weekly vlog number 3. So today I decided I might show you part of the uploading process for my videos. So basically, right now I've been uploading a video, so I'll show you right here. It's on my computer, and so I'll probably make like a full-length video of this one day, but today I think I'm just going to show you some of the basics and just give you a peek into the uploading life. So yeah, I'm gonna flip to the computer and just kind of quickly show you what I do. Okay, so I already started uploading it from my phone, so here it is. It is 16% uploaded, and it should be visible as private, but it's not uploaded yet. So basically, I have this chart of all the videos that I'm filming, so it would be this one right here. It's filmed, edited, and I'm uploading it right now, and then we'll click that once it's uploaded at 6 o'clock today. And I use this to plan all of my videos. I'll give you an in-depth eventually, but these are just the videos and all the days that I post. And then so in Google Drive I have this, and I always copy paste it. It's hard to do one-handed. Hold on. Okay, so I always copy paste that into the description so then I don't have to rewrite it every time. Let me just paste that. Looks like they've changed things up a little bit. Typically it is not like that, but either way I will always change this and just write a basic description of the video up here, and then I'll have everything else linked below, and then I will add playlists. So this one would be in my 2020 playlist, fashion, and that is it. So I guess today might not have been the best day to show that, seeing it's changed. I don't know if that's just me doing something weird, but typically it does not actually look like that. But yeah, anyways, I would add description, tags, and all that, and I'll do a fully in-depth video one day, but that's just the basic. There's a lot more to it, but I don't want to talk forever in this video about it. But yeah, that's basically what I do for uploading a video. I just got a package. So this is my Flip Fit box. Okay, so this is actually for a video that will be up on my channel, so I won't be unboxing it in my vlog, but it did arrive. It's my Flip Fit box, as I said. Okay, so I have this app called Flip, and basically you can choose different clothes to put in your closet, and then they'll select a few of the things that you have liked in your closet, or that you've added, and then they'll send them to you. You can try them on, you can decide what you want to keep and not keep, and then you can return the things that you want. And then you don't pay for anything until you return it, and then the ones that you keep you pay for. I think they have specific items that they're selling, and if you go through and you click back and forth on them, then it'll also give you credit. So I also have a bunch of credit, so I might get something free out of this. So yeah, if that doesn't make sense, then subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to watch the video that will be coming out shortly of me unboxing it and deciding what I want to keep or not and explaining it further. But yeah, I'm about to unbox this right now. Okay, so I just unboxed the Flip box, and here you can see, look, I got all these cute items. I'm not gonna spoil much because the video is coming soon, but I'm gonna decide what I want to keep, and maybe I'll show a few of them in the vlog. Okay, hey, so I haven't really vlogged much today because I spent most of the day, unboxing my box, taking pictures, and trying things on and stuff, and I finished that. So I have the box right here, and I'm going to ship it back tomorrow. I only kept 2 items. And you'll see a video for this coming out soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, I think that's all for today, just because, that's basically all that I did today, but there will definitely be more fun things throughout the week, so keep watching for that. I'll see you tomorrow. Hey everyone, it is now Tuesday, and today I picked up something. So I got some yarn, and I'm going to use that to finish knitting my blanket. You would have seen it in my 15 things to do in your board video, which I will link in the corner. So yeah, I'll probably work on that today, and I'm about to go work out for day 6 of the Chloe Ting ab workout. Yesterday was a rest day, so today I have 3 workouts. So I'm gonna do that right now, and then today I plan on doing my makeup, getting dressed, and filming the intro and outro to 2 different videos. Hopefully that will happen. And I already finished my class for today and the classwork for that class for next week, if that makes sense. So anyway, I'm going to work out right now, and you should see a clip of that right here. Okay, hey, so I finished working out. I took a shower, I ate dinner, and now I'm going to do my makeup. So I think I'll do a little time lapse of that right now. Okay, so I finished my makeup and I put on an outfit I'll show you in a second. This is the outfit for intro outro number 1, which is going to be for my dyeing my hair purple video, which I did that over the weekend and it didn't turn out great, but that video should be out by the time this is out, so that will be linked in the corner for you to watch if you want to see how this ended up happening. So yeah, anyways, I'm going to show you the outfit real quick. So here's the outfit. It's this dress from Forever 21 with a little like rope belt and a scrunchie, and that's it. So I actually have another intro and outro that I'm filming for the flip box that I unboxed yesterday, and so I'm going to be filming that right now. I'm going to change outfits just to make it, you know, different, because I like having a, you know, a variety. So I'm going to change for that right now. Okay, here's the outfit for this video. It is a pink off-the-shoulder top from Forever 21 in a denim skirt, also from Forever 21, and a little scrunchie from Francesca's. So I'm going to film that right now. Hey everyone, it is Wednesday. I feel like I cut off pretty quick yesterday and didn't end it. I don't even remember what I was going to do, but we didn't do anything else really yesterday. But yeah, so today I did some of my laundry. We're gonna complete that throughout the day. And then yesterday I got a order from Depop. Somebody bought one of my items. So today I packaged it up right here, and then I'm going to ship it out today. I guess now I should probably do my workout for day 7, I think it is. And yeah, so that's what I've all done, and you'll see clips of that, you know, probably later when I do more of like the rest of my laundry and actually ship the package. So yeah, I'm going to work out right now and I'll catch back up afterwards. Hey, so I currently have a bunch of pictures behind me on my bed, and I'm about to put them on my wall. So we're gonna do that right now. I think I'm just gonna like show you the end result. I might time lapse a little bit of it, but yeah, I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so I finished with all of the pictures. Here's what it looks like. So there's still some empty gaps, but I ran out of pictures, so I'll have to print some more eventually. But yeah, that's what it looks like now. Hey everyone, it is Thursday, and a package just came in the mail. So I'm going to do my makeup and get dressed and then film the unpackaging for that. So I think I'm going to do one of those things where like, in the next clip my makeup is done. Just because I already showed my makeup for this week, we don't need another time lapse. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to do my makeup right now. And then I'm going to pick out an outfit, and you'll see that right now. Okay, so my makeup is all done. I have my outfit on. I'm wearing one of the pieces that I kept from my flip fit box that I unboxed earlier. So you can get a little glimpse of it here. And that video should be coming out probably Monday. So I'm gonna film the unboxing right now. And yeah. Hey everyone, it is finally Friday. It is the last day of the vlog. I did not vlog much yesterday, but I finished the haul video, and here are a few of the items. I got this shirt, tube top, another matching shirt, and a skirt. I'm not going to really like show you much because you'll see them in the video that should be coming out next week, so definitely subscribe for that video. Anyways, today I did my day 8 of the Chloe Ting workout, so I don't think I'm going to put any clips of that just because I have already shown many clips. It's basically the same workout with slight changes. So here's my outfit. So first I have this top that's from the h&m haul that I did, and then I'm also wearing the skirt from the Flip Fit unboxing. So this whole outfit is pretty new, and I think it's pretty cute. And then I've also been working on knitting my blanket just because I started doing it and because I was bored. So here's how it's going. I'm using up this ball of yarn. And then yeah, so basically that's what I've done so far. I think I'm gonna do a face mask later, and that's what I got for now. So see you when the next thing happens. Hey, so I didn't end up finishing anything more yesterday or filming anything. And I didn't even end up like doing an outro. So today is Saturday, and that's everything that happened this week in my vlog. So basically I'm just going to end it here. Thanks for watching my entire video if you're still here. Anyways, definitely make sure to go check out my channel and like maybe watch a few more videos that you find interesting. And I post every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe by hitting the button below or the one in the corner of the screen over there if you're using a computer. Anyways, I'll see you next time. Bye!